Hello everyone, this is Greg with badcreditassistance.com, financial solutions for people with less than perfect credit. This is a quick video on the subject that gets searched on a lot, and that is refinancing a home. Are you a homeowner interested in refinancing, getting a equity loan or a second mortgage, but you have bad credit, maybe even a bankruptcy on your record? There are companies that have mortgages specifically for homeowners with less than perfect credit. This means even with damaged credit, you may still be able to get a second mortgage or an equity loan or refinance your home. And we know that these terms get used a lot. They get used interchangeably, and it does cause some confusion. So I do want to quickly go over what each one means. Now, a home refinance is very much like it sounds. Your existing loan on the home is completely replaced and you get a brand new home mortgage. For example, 5 years ago you bought a home, it was valued at $100,000, and you got a 30-year mortgage for $100,000. Now the interest rates are much lower than what you have when you originally got the home. Therefore, you want to get a whole new loan at this lower rate. You've had the home for a few years, so the balance of the mortgage now is $95,000. So this existing loan is going to be completely paid off, and you're going to start all over again with a brand new 30-year loan for the $95,000. This is the benefit of obtaining a refinance, and mainly what people mean when they say home refinance. Now, a home equity loan is only for the excess difference between the balance of the loan, your current loan, and the current value of the home. For example, we're going to take that same $100,000 mortgage that you got 5 years ago. The balance is now $95,000, as it was in the previous example, but the home itself is worth $105,000. So the difference between the $95,000 that you owe and the $105,000 that the home is worth is a $10,000 difference, and that is the equity in the home. So with a home equity loan, you're going to leave that existing $95,000 alone. You're going to leave it completely in place, and you're going to get a completely separate loan for any amount up to that $10,000. That is a home equity loan. And for some people, let's say you have really, really good credit, whoever's loaning you that money may just establish an account that you can go at any time and get up to that $10,000. That's called an equity line of credit. So they can establish that for you. You may go get just $1,000 at one time. You may go a few months later and get another couple of $1,000s. You can get as much as you need anytime you want up to that $10,000 limit. So that is a home equity loan and a home equity line of credit. And then a second mortgage happens if the finance company that gave you that home equity loan files papers at the local courthouse, your local courthouse, to record a lien against your home as collateral for that home equity loan that they gave you. So then it becomes a second mortgage. So it's essentially the same thing. The home equity loan, when someone has real perfect credit, they may not go and file that lien against the home. But if you're someone that has some credit issues, you have some negative things on your credit report, you may still be able to get home equity loan because the house itself is collateral. In that case, they will definitely go down and record the lien against the home itself, and it'll officially become a second mortgage. So that's kind of an overview of the differences between the three. As we said before, they all get used interchangeably all the time, which can cause confusion. You can get a lot more information about this on our webpage. We're going to put this clip on YouTube. And as you know, on YouTube, the link is going to be directly below the video, and it's going to take you directly to our webpage. We're also going to put this clip directly on the web page itself. So if you somehow have already found your way and you're already on our page, just simply scroll down and there's a lot more information below, and you'll see a link to a site where you can apply directly online for a home refinance, a home equity loan, or a second mortgage. Now remember, simply filing the application doesn't obligate you to anything. It doesn't commit you to anything. Someone is going to contact you, and they're going to explain everything to you up front and let you know what all of your options are. This is a service that is specifically for people that have less than perfect credit. And remember, our website, badcreditassistance.com, has links to free tips, free advice, and much more services specifically for people with less than perfect credit. So that's it. That's our overview for home refinancing, getting a home equity loan if you have bad credit. And we will see you on our next Credit Assist Help Tips.